it is said that the whole surface of rectangular block is 1300 centimeter square. Okay, they're asking you find its volume. Its volume if their dimensions are 4 is to 3 is to 2. Okay, so dimensions have been given, right? Dimension means length, breadth and height have been given. So whenever you are given ratios like this, you need to convert all the ratios into numbers. How do you convert the ratios into numbers? So you need to write it as let the ratios be 4x, 3x and 2x. Okay, so whole surface of the rectangular block is this. So area is equal to area of a rectangular block means cuboidal block, right? Area is equal to 2 into length breadth plus breadth height plus height into length, right? So length, breadth and height, am I correct? Because the ratios are given to you in 4 is to 3 is to 2, nothing is being said that which one is length and breadth and height. So you'll randomly select. Okay, length, breadth and height, that's how you select. Okay, so this will be 2 into what is the value of area? Area is 1300 centimeter square. I'll write even the unit. 2 into length into breadth means 4x into 3x. 4 is a 12x square, am I correct? Breadth into height means 3x into 2x. 3 to just 6 and x into x is 6x square. Okay, plus this height into length 2x into 4x. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into x is x into x is x square. What is happening over here? I'm multiplying. I'll even write if someone is having some doubts onto it. Length into breadth. Length is 4x into breadth is 3x plus breadth into height 3x into breadth into height 3x into 2x plus height into length. Okay, so height is 2x, length is 4x. 2x into 4x. So that's how I'm getting you. How do you multiply these? So first you will multiply the constants. Please take a look at this. You will be multiplying the constants first. So 4 into 3 gives you 12. X into x gives you x square. Similarly here 3 into 2 gives you 6. X into x gives you x square. Similarly over here also 2 into 4 gives you 8 and x into x gives you x square. So now we are on to solving it. Very close. 1300 centimeter square is equal to 12. All are like terms, right? X square. So 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 and 8 26. 26 into 2 gives you 52 x square. Okay, how can I do all this so quick? Because I'm in practice, I'm in deep practice. So you got to play with numbers days and night, every day with mathematics, and you keep doing that, this will be onto your fingertips. So this is 1300 centimeter square is equal to 52 into x square means by 52 I'll do, am I correct? I'll be getting x square isolated. 52 was in multiplication with x square, went over there, came in division or in denominator you can say. So these are all multiples of 13, right? 13 4s are 52 and 1300s are 1300. Again 4 gives you 25. So 25 centimeter square is equal to x square. I need only the value of x, so square will go over there, okay, and it will become square root, right? So square root of this, so square root of 25 centimeter square is equal to x, which implies that 25 centimeter, right, centimeter square. So 25 means 5 into 5, and this centimeter into centimeter, right? Okay, now this value is equal to x, which implies that 5 into 5 square root gives you only 5. Centimeters into centimeter gives you only centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter is equal to x. And that is your answer. So means not the answer, you got to find the volume, you got the value of x, right? Okay, now since this is a rectangular cuboid, so the volume will be length into breadth into height. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height, means 5 centimeter means x into x into x, which is equal to 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So this is 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 125 centimeter cube is the answer, right? This is the final answer. Okay, so we will move on to the next question. There is a good question, students, based on application, and the question is, a city has population of 10,000 people. 10,000 people. Okay, their requirement of water is 100 liter of water per head per day. So in a day, a person requires 100 liter of water. Don't know what he has been doing with so much of water. Okay, let's come to the question. The city has a water tank measuring 50 meter into 10 meter into 8 meter. Okay, the question is, for how many days? The water of the tank will last. Okay, so for how many days the water of this tank will last? Okay, so per day the requirement is per head 100 liter. How many people are there? 10,000 people are there. Okay, let's come to the requirement per day. Requirement per day of 10,000 people is equal to, per person is 100 liter, right, into there are 10,000 people. So the value is 10,000 and this 2 zeros once again. So it's not 10,000 unit, 10s, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. So this is 10 lakh, right? 10 lakh liters is the requirement per day. Now, the city has a water tank measuring 50 meter. It's too big. 10 meter into 8 meter means length is 50, breadth is 10, and height is 8 meter. Okay, so we need to calculate the volume of tank is equal to 50 into 10 into 8, all are in meter now, meter into meter into meter, so this is meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, we'll come on to it, wait. So 50 into 10 gives you 500, 500 into 8, right? So let's do this first. 8 zeros is 0, 8 5s are 40, 400 into 10, 4000, 4000 meter cube. What I told you, meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Please note this down. Okay, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So this value will become 4000 into 1000 liter, right? So this is 4000, this many liters are there, right? So what is the value? 1 unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 40 lakh liters are there. Okay, once again, unit tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and here unit tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is 10 lakh liter, and this one is your 40 lakh liter. So this can be consumed in, this water can be consumed in volume of tank, volume of water needed. So what is the volume of tank? Unit tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Volume of water is 10 lakh only. Unit tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, 10 lakh. So all are gone. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6. So it's only 4 days, because this is also liter, this is also liter, cut. So it's only 4. Okay, so it will be consumed in 4 days. Okay, so that's how you need to solve these kind of questions. Okay, students, this question is extremely important, Okay, so let me just write it for you. A cube of 9 centimeter edge is immersed completely in a rectangular vessel containing water. Okay, so the vessel is of rectangular type, means it's a cuboid, right? If the dimensions of base are 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter, find the rise in water level in the vessel. Students, this question might look confusing to you. Okay, you might be thinking that this is the rectangular vessel, right? And into it, okay, a cube have been inserted. A cube of 9 centimeter edge has been inserted. Now the thing is that there was some water before it was, immersed into it. Now once you immerse, the water level will go up, correct? Huh? Why the water level will go up? The very simple reason is that the cube will displace water equal to its volume. Okay. Now you will think that how much the water level will increase. Whatever the level of water was, with that more that, let it be x will increase. So now the total water will be here. So what you will feel that you need to calculate that what was the height of the water in the rectangular vessel, whereas you damn cannot calculate it, because only this 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter means base, and the your dimension of the base means base and your length value is given. Okay, 15 and 12, no height value is given to you. So what you need to do is, you should not be concerned with what was the height of the water in rectangular tank previously, and then this has been immersed, an ice cube a cube have been immersed into it, so it will increase x. What is the value of that x? No, you don't need to do that. Okay, what you just need to do is, using slight Archimedes principle, it is said that cube immersed is equal to volume of water displace. It will displace some volume of water, which will cube immersed is volume of water is to be displaced. When this water will be displaced, what will happen? There will be a rise in the height. Okay, so let's first calculate the volume of cube. The volume of cube will be 9 centimeter na, so 9 into 9 into 9 centimeter cube. Learn this. 9 cube is 729. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 8s are 72. So the value is 729 centimeter cube. The volume of cube is 729 centimeter cube. So now that you got it, what will happen? This volume, okay, when this cube will be inserted, volume of cube will be equal to volume of water displaced where? Displaced in tank. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. You see, length and breadth here, when we are talking about the tank, when you are dipping anything into tank, whatever the expansion it is taking place or the increase in height is taking place, always the length and breadth will and height will be of the tank. Since that height is not given over here, we'll be using only length and breadth. How much they told? What was the tank's length? 15, and base is breadth is 12. So 15 into 12, 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into x centimeter, right? So that is the volume of the cube, means 729, right? Okay, So now since you want 729 centimeter cube, correct? So centimeter, centimeter, centimeter into centimeter gives you centimeter square and gone. So this is only 1 centimeter left. Okay, 729 centimeter. Okay, and now you will divide it into 15 and 12 are in multiplication with this, right? So you will divide 729 divided by 15 divided by 12. Since both of them are a denominator, they will get multiplied. Okay, this is x centimeter. Okay, students, so 15, let's see whether this goes or not. 3 5s are 15, right? 3 2 is 6, 6 and 1 and 2, 12. 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9. Okay, so let's see it goes by 3 or not. 3 4 is 12, 3 8 is 24, 3 1s are 3. So 81 by 5 4s are 20. So we will divide it. 24 is 80. There is 1 for a dot 0. Again nothing happened, still small. Again a 0, punishment. Now it became 100. 25 is 100. So your x value is 4.05, means this is the increase in height of water level in the tank. Okay, students, you can have a look at this. Pause it, and if you wish you can copy it. Yet another question, students. So this question says that a plot of land in the form of a rectangle has a dimension 240 meter to 180 meter. Okay, now it is said that a drainlet uh, 10 meter wide is dug all around it. A drainlet 10 meter wide is dug all around it. Okay, and around it means on the outside, not on the inside. I'll show you by a diagram. On the outside, and the earth dug out, and the earth dug out and the earth dug out is evenly spread over the plot, increasing its surface level by 25 centimeter. You need to find the depth of drainlet.